Make a great choice today with the 2020 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, steel wheels, FWD, headlights auto off, wheel covers, mirror memory, backup camera, push button start. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.